Alright everybody, it's Chris below with another video. So we're here in San Diego for Rigs and Brews. So you gotta check out some truck builds here in San Diego. So you guys can see, we got John and Arlene here. There you go. So we're just gonna walk around and look at the rigs. Let's check it out. There's the Trail Recon's Jeep. I watch him on YouTube all the time. This guy right here. Just checking out the rigs over here. Got people parked outside also. It's badass.
Not to wear those around.
Yeah.
So I don't know how that works.
How many people could sleep there? How many? Here, bring the camera.
Too comfortable.
Bing.
You could do a family up there.
Family?
Yeah. Because there's also another
Look, this is what's inside. This, I think 2 people can sleep here. 3 is too much.
Overland Sailor. Oh yeah. This one's nice. The setup. Checking out some Jeep right now. There you go. It's better. It's nice. A whole bunch of Toyotas and Jeeps over here. I was expecting more see some Subarus too, but they didn't show up. You guys can come out and play too. This light is bright right here. Tundra, huh? Tundra. All these vehicles, these trucks, these rigs, I just see them on Instagram, and now I'm just looking at it in person. There's the man right there, Trail Recon on YouTube. It's getting covered up right there.
They're all the same. We just basically took that.
It's nice. Yeah.
Did you let off the pressure here?
Ooh.
Right. Put fishing rod holder in there. Lock it up
There's
here.
Storage for a fishing pole right there. Badass.
Yeah. And all this is proof of concept here to make sure it works. And it's going to go in an enclosed cabinet here. You can have an acrylic window so you can see your voltage controllers and what have you and what's on. And it'll all be hidden in a cabinet with a strut. And that'll be kind of like your control center. And then the other side.
On the floor.
So we're just waiting to for the raffle. So at 1 o'clock. It's 12:45 right now. So we'll try our luck. So they're calling for the last call to buy the tickets. So hopefully I win something. You know, last time I was at the Recon Motorsports in Corona. I won something. So I'm trying my luck here. This is my my type of gambling. So if I win something, maybe I'll sell it or I'll keep it. So let's see what happens. 15 more minutes and the raffle will start. All right. I'll vlog again later. See you guys in a little bit. So the raffle's about to start right now. And so we're just waiting for it to get our numbers called so we can win something. Here are the prizes. See, that's everything on the table. You can win. And I got my raffle tickets right there. And a lot of people are waiting. A lot of people have entered the raffle. So let's see. Hopefully we win.
Say thank you all for coming out and supporting Corva. This is an amazing turnout. So thank you very much. For those of you who don't know, I'm Michelle, Sexy D Scott, SD, and Brews. So I also want to say thank you to Duckfoot because they are amazing. So I hope you had some good brews. And for the food trucks that came out, thank you to all of our companies that sat up and were here today and that donated as well. Thank you. All right, 2 winners from Pop Top Overland. All right, first winner, blue ticket, 684, 684. Blue ticket, 684. 733, $50 from off the grill.
Right? For $25 gift card.
Blue ticket, 296733.
Some mugs. That's good enough, right? Some.
Going one.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.